texture. Typically, when we see this sign, we know it's time to flex our muscles and make a skill drift around that corner. The inspiration behind the design of the Nazo 30 comes from the classic V-shaped lines on a racetrack. It creates a great sense of speed and gets the adrenaline pumping. The design is immersive enough to summon the roar of an engine passing by at high speed in your ear. In terms of craftsmanship, the Nazo 30 utilizes an advanced dual texture splicing process and a new optical coating technology, which offers 60% improved brightness and 50% enhanced color saturation over previous techniques to deliver brighter and more transparent visual effects. The Nazo 30 comes in two colors, Racing Silver and Racing Blue, and each comes with its unique characteristic. You can choose the design that best suits your preferences. Next, let's take a look at the performance, and we won't let you down here as well. The Nazo 30 uses the MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor, benchmarking over 358,000 on Antutu, made up of two A76 cores and 6 A55 cores for a primary clock speed of up to 2.05 GHz, along with a quad-core Mali G76 GPU. This powerful gaming-oriented processor is capable of handling any mainstream game without any issues in performance. Our testing has shown that the processor can handle multiplayer online battle arena-style games at a steady 60 FPS at high settings. Moving on, let's have a look at the battery and the charging capabilities. Nazo 30 is equipped with a 30-watt dart charge and a battery capacity of up to 5,000 mAh, bringing both endurance and fast charging. According to Realme lab tests, it takes 26 minutes to charge the device up to 50% and 65 minutes to charge it to 100%. In terms of battery life, we did a simulated battery life test by combining the usage scenarios of normal users and heavy users. With a full charge, users can play games, shoot videos, watch YouTube, browse Flipkart, surf Twitter, and watch short videos for 30 minutes each. Only 31% of the battery was consumed after 3 hours of use, which means 69% of the battery remained. During normal usage, Nazo 30 can be used for 2 days without any problems. And that's not all. We also turned on the high performance mode and played the hottest games for 2 hours at the highest image quality settings. In this scenario as well, the Nazo 30 consumed a total of 36% of power and ended up with 33% of battery life remaining. This shows that even if you are a heavy-duty smartphone user and like to play games a lot, Nazo 30 can last you a day. We also performed some regular battery life tests, and I'm happy to share that the Nazo 30 can endure for over a month on standby, continuously stream online videos for 16 hours, or be used to play games for 11 hours. I'm impressed with this mega power and massive capacity. Are you? In addition to its massive battery, the Nazo 30 includes a variety of cutting-edge optimizations to further improve battery life. In the super power-saving mode, the Nazo 30 uses extremely stringent system-level power optimizations that provide users with 2.4 hours of phone calls or 40 hours of standby even at only 5% power. You'll never have to worry about running out of power at a critical moment again. The Nazo 30 also freezes idle applications and includes night standby optimizations to further reduce standby power consumptions. As many users like to charge their phones while they sleep, we've developed a special night charge guardian. When the phone's battery is almost full, it switches to smart trickle mode to greatly improve battery life protection. The Nazo 30 supports OTG reverse charging as well, which provides you with the ability to charge another smartphone or smart device. Well, since you've got so much charge to spare, you might as well share it with your friends. In terms of safety, the Nazo 30 includes 5-fold charge protection, ensuring comprehensive protection and peace of mind. Moving on to the display, the Nazo 30 comes equipped with the popular 90Hz Ultra Smooth display. If you've become accustomed to conventional 60Hz screens, you'll be surprised at how fluid the Nazo 30 display feels like. The Nazo 30 features a 6.5-inch display and a 1080p resolution. The full screen design delivers an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 90.5%, providing you with an extremely immersive audiovisual experience. The phone can reach a peak brightness of 580 nits in sunlight mode to ensure that the display is always clearly visible, while the eye protection mode helps protect your eyes from fatigue. Now let's look at the camera capabilities. The Nazo 30 is equipped with a 48-megapixel AI triple camera setup, including a 48-megapixel primary camera, an ultra macro lens, and a black and white portrait lens. The 48 megapixel primary camera features an f1.8 large aperture lens combined with Pixel 4-in-1 technology, which allows a single pixel to reach 1.6 micrometer. This provides excellent image quality for night shots and gives you ultra clear and rich details. Now, let's take a look at a night shot example. As we can see, the shot remains pure and bright even without using Super Nightscape. By using tripod mode in Super Nightscape, the brightness and clarity are exponentially improved. The Nazo 30 also includes our popular night filters, which allow you to easily take cool night shots with a variety of highlights. Next, let's check out these sample shots taken in 48 megapixel mode, ultra macro mode, and chroma boost mode. Each mode is designed for a different scenario. My personal favorite is the chroma boost mode, which is perfect for shots with rich background colors. Trust me, these will elevate your social media post to the next level. As always, Realme is focused on providing you with powerful hardware and flexible camera modes to help you unleash your creativity. For video shots, the Nazo 30 supports UIS video stabilization function. So whether you're shooting stunning scenery or wonderful sports moments, you can ensure that the video you shoot is stable and smooth. Well, enough of talking. Take a look at some practical examples. Of course, there are many more fun video features you can take your time to explore. The Nazo 30 comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera with Sony's IMX471 sensor. We've also made algorithm optimizations for special selfie scenarios, such as backlighting and night shots. Through targeted brightening of the face or the background, this camera can make any shot look good. Next up, let's talk about the user experience. Nazo 30 comes equipped with Realme UI 2.0. Based on Android 11, the system feels smooth and easy to use. The phone also includes a side fingerprint sensor, which can unlock your device with a single tap. The side fingerprint sensor effectively protects your privacy and can also be used as a safe and convenient method of payment. To wrap up, let's talk about the quality. At Realme, we've always held our products to the highest of standards. We are a customer-first brand. To ensure durability and reliability, the Nazo 30 undergoes over 320 stringent quality tests before they leave the factory. Well, with this, we conclude the introduction for our Nazo 30. It's cool